hated that opening, guys. Hey guys, so as Paige requested, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. Yeah, so I already washed my face with my face wash, and I already moisturized with my moisturizer. So now I'm just gonna get started on the makeup. Okay. This is what I use as a makeup bag. It's a little bit messy. I usually do in my bathroom, but my bathroom has this like really weird fan, so it would be way too loud if I turned off the lights. But I got this from Target. So it's just some, what even is this? CoverGirl concealer. And just put it I forgot to say that today I'm getting my booster shot. Ah! Guys, the most silliest and goofiest thing happened. My dad got the day wrong. So yeah, that's why I'm getting ready for the first time in like weeks. Alright, then I blend it out. Okay, then my most expensive piece of makeup, my Rare Beauty liquid blush. There we go. Okay, I got this from Sephora for like 20 bucks. Yeah, okay, so what I do is I take this thing, I put it in, and then I leave it. I'm kidding. I blend it out. Blending time. I used to do this with my fingers, but then I got bored of having red fingers. So then I take whatever's on here and I do a little on my nose. Because, you know, I don't like how it looks uneven if you don't put it on your nose. So I'm gonna do my, technically it's eyeshadow, but I call it eyeliner because I'm using it as eyeliner. I got this for Christmas a couple years ago. I don't know what it is. I didn't use it. Oh, it's probably expired, but let's not talk about that. So I just go in with this like angled, I don't even know. I don't know the names of the brush. It's like really small. This is how small that is. This small brush, and just like get a bunch on there. I learned that I still do this because of James Charles. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. I have to like get up and do it because like I can't do it on my camera. First, I start with the line that like lines up with my crease right there, and then I drag it down more to go to that bottom of my eye. Okay. Okay. That looks okay. Then I like keep it going. This one's really bad, but I keep it dragging. Okay. This is as good as it's gonna get. So let me go with some mascara. Okay. That looks okay. I don't know where my highlighter is, so I'm gonna go grab it. Random CoverGirl palette that I got. Smoky. So, I started using this because my highlighter on this one ran out. I got so sad. But this one is the closest thing to that I could find in my house. I take this brush. I don't know why I use it. Go into like this one right here. And since it's the middle of the actual winter, I add my Kiss. Wait, what is this? Shea Butter Lip Chapstick. Just give it a little color. This is like my prized possession. Oh, okay. Victoria's Secret lip gloss. This is literally my pride and joy. It smells so good. I don't think it's even supposed to smell good, but it smells so good. Yeah, it's really old. I lost the cap and it like gets everywhere and it's really sticky and it's disgusting. Like it's on here, it's gross, but I will not get rid of it because I love it so much. I guess I should do my hair. I guess if I have to. I don't like such. So I'm gonna do my hair. Guys, don't talk about it, please. Please. Guys. Then, okay, is it bad that like the night routine was the last time I washed my hair? Yeah. Let me get my perfume. I'm nervous. Please.